Hello, friends, and how are you doing today? This is about all the test takers who took their IELTS exam on 21st of May, and I think their result is expected on the 3rd of June. If you are the one who took the IELTS exam on the same day, be patient, watch this video till the end as I have few important updates to share with you. Well, as you know that every time IELTS conduct a test, the result gets declared on the 13th day. Sometime the IELTS result get delayed for some reasons. Usually the result get declared on the 13th day, but sometimes due to public holidays or any other reason the result get delayed. But I really don't think that there would be any reason for the delay of the result of 21st of May. That means you can definitely expect your result on the 3rd of June. Well, first of all, I would like to wish you all the very best, and I hope that all of you would achieve your desired band score. जैसे आपका रिजल्ट कल आए, I want you that hit the comment section, share in the comment your exam result, especially with the venue. It's very important for me to get to know, and for the other students as well, to get an idea that what kind of result the students are getting in different parts of India and different parts of the world. दूसरी चीज़ I would really expect from you guys that if you do not get your result in time, that is in morning time, try to get in touch with IDP. You can directly email or you can directly get onto the toll-free number of IDP and try to ask why your result is delayed. And usually there are two reasons for this. One is the technical issue, another one is your result is on hold because of quality check. And if it is a technical issue, it would be resolved within a day or two. लेकिन अगर ये बनता है कोई issue related to the quality check, then you have to wait, and there is no particular limit or specific time within which you will receive the result. It can be 1 week time, it can be couple of months as well. EOR बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट मुझसे पूछते हैं, लेकिन मैं आपको कहता हूँ कि आप किसी से ना पूछें, अपने आप से पूछें. EOR only fail if you are satisfied with your work but you haven't achieved satisfactory score. That means you're not happy with the result at all as per your performance. Not about just not being happy कि मेरे 5 बैंड आ गए, आई एम डिसअपॉइंटेड. काम किया था 5 बैंड वाला, लेकिन काम किया था अगर 6.5-7 बैंड वाला, एंड स्टिल यू रिसीव 5.5, then there is no reason that you wait. You must go for EOR the same day. And finally, I would say that if there is any kind of ban kind of thing, that means you have used unfair means. IDP is getting very strict these days, and there are high chances that you would get a ban of 2 years. And if that is the case, that means you are being banned but you haven't received the email or the confirmation yet. Do not go ahead and book another test until unless you get the confirmation from IDP. And once it is confirmed, then you are banned for 2 years. You cannot take the test. And if it is not confirmed, still if you book the test, you will waste your money. You cannot sit in the exam, and even if you sit in the exam, you won't get your result. I hope कि ऐसा आपके किसी के साथ भी ना हो, because I hope all of you are doing hard work to get good results in IELTS, but still sometime because of the poor training and not focusing while training can lead to poor result. And in that case, we are there for you. Our online and offline programs will definitely make sure in your next attempt you achieve your desired score and score beyond your expectations, especially in the reading, especially in the writing where students struggle the most. हमें contact कीजिए. Complete IELTS programs और each and every module की separate training के लिए अगर आप join करना चाहते हैं, तो we have all the different options available for you. Don't hesitate. फ्लैश हो रहे WhatsApp नंबर पे भी contact कीजिए. और डिसअपॉइंट भी नहीं होना है कि अगर आपका पुअर रिजल्ट आया है. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स के साथ ऐसा होता है, लेकिन ये नहीं है कि आप गिव अप कर जाएंगे, अब मैं IELTS नहीं दूंगा. लेकिन आप 1-2-3 महीने या 6 महीने बाद रियलाइज़ करेंगे कि IELTS दोबारा कर लेना चाहिए. बेटर है कि विदाउट गैप, विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम, आप इंस्टेंटली अपनी IELTS प्रेपरेशन दोबारा स्टार्ट कीजिए. एंड इफ़ यू नीड आवर हेल्प इन एनी वे, we are always there available for you. This is very much all in this video, guys. Friends, take care of yourself and bye bye for now.
Hello everyone, my name is Parul Pithania, and well, I watched ample of videos on YouTube, but among all these videos, Ramandeep sir video are the best video, because on a random day I was surfing internet to find something that could help me on IELTS score. And I saw a video, linked tape on it, and found that useful videos which was tips and tricks by Ramandeep sir. and thank you for letting me a part of this group. And lastly, I would like to say, please buy this series if you haven't. Seriously, it is very useful video for IELTS students.